Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about why your original Xbox is blinking red and green and how to fix it. Let's get started. When the original Xbox blinks green and red, it's a sign of a hardware malfunction related to the internal components of the console. You can solve the issue by doing the following. Firstly, replace the capacitors. Start by checking whether the capacitors are dead or leaking. These storage tanks for electricity dry out and age over time. If they're not in good condition, replace them. If the capacitors are fine, try desoldering. If you are doing soldering work around the console's motherboard, ensure there are no solder bridges that may be connecting any traces. However, if there are, you should desolder them. On the other hand, if you haven't done any modding to the console, it means the issue has been caused by a bad chip. To solve this, consider installing a Modchip and check whether the blinking is no longer there. If the problem persists, consider replacing the motherboard, since one of the major components is bad. You can do this with the help of a technician that specializes in console repair. If you're still struggling to find repair services, consider replacing your console. Thank you for watching and see you next time.